Hi guys, today I'm showing you how to do 3 easy hairstyles perfect for the Christmas holidays. First of all, we're going to start off with a low braided chignon. To start, we're going to section out a chunk of hair from behind the left ear and clip this out of the way for later. Next, gather the remaining hair into a low ponytail and secure it with an elastic band. Loosen this up by pulling the elastic band away from the head a little bit, and we're going to make a hole with our fingers, reach through and pull that ponytail up and through the hole. Next, gently backcomb the underside of that ponytail and then just use your comb to smooth over the top layers. Apply a little bit of hairspray and gather that ponytail up in your hands and just add an elastic band a few inches away from the bottom. Next, just roll those tail ends under until you meet the bottom of the hairline, and we're just going to secure at the top and bottom of each side using a couple of bobby pins. Use some hairspray to calm any flyaways. Next, take that first section and we're just going to simply create a 3-strand braid. Apply some texture spray and gently pinch and pull at the edges of that braid to make it nice and voluminous. Bring the braid up and over the chignon that we've created, and we're going to tuck the tail in on the right hand side by just curling these round our fingers and then popping them underneath that chignon and pinning it to the head. Use your hand to gently push the chignon towards the head and just catch the very edges of the side and secure these down, and repeat this on both sides. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Next up, we've got this easy knotted bun hairstyle. To start, we're going to divide the top section of hair by placing our thumbs just above the ears and joining them together at the back. Twist this section up and clip it out of the way for later. Split the remaining hair in half, and taking that right hand side, we're going to pull it up to about ear level and just secure it into a ponytail using a clear elastic band. And then just repeat this on the left hand side. Release that top section, and working on the left hand side, I've just left a few pieces of hair out around the face just to make the look softer, and we're going to split that hair in half also, and we're just going to pull the left hand side to just above that ponytail below it and secure it into another clear elastic band, and then just repeat this on the right hand side. So you should be left with 4 ponytails. Apply some texture spray to the top of the head, and we're just going to gently pinch and pull at the hair using our finger and thumb just so it's not so tight. I'll leave all the products that I've used in the description box below. Do this all over the top of the head and around the sides as well. Taking those top two ponytails, we're just going to loop them around each other and tie them into a knot as if we're doing up our shoelaces. Pull on the ends so it sits close to the head, and then just attach each side with a couple of bobby pins. And we're just going to repeat this on the bottom two ponytails. So tie them together once to form a knot. And then just secure on both sides using a bobby pin or two. Now we're just going to take the tail ends at the bottom and we're going to knot them one more time and just put them up against the bottom of that previous knotted section, and again secure with a few bobby pins. If your hair's long, you might have a few little tail ends left over from that section, and all we're going to do is wrap them round our fingers to create a loop and then just pin them into the hairstyle. Okay, so now we should have a tail end at the top on both sides left over, and we need to cover this elastic band on the top right hand side. So all we're going to do is bring it up over the elastic band, wrap the ends around the fingers, and then just tuck that underneath one of the previous loops and pin it to the head to keep it nice and secure. And then to stop it from flapping about, we're just going to put a pin or two in the side section. So on the left hand side, we want to hide that elastic band in the bottom left hand corner, so bring the section down, wrap the ends around your fingers, and then just pin that loop next to the little bun we've just created. Add some texture spray to your bun, and we're just going to pinch and pull at every single loop and twist just to make it nice and voluminous. I've added a hair accessory, but this is obviously optional. And then I'm just going to curl all those sections we left out away from the face. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. And for the third and final hairstyle, we've got this messy twisted bun. To start, I've popped the hair into a side parting, and I've just left a few pieces of hair out to frame the face. First of all, we're going to gather up the crown section of the hair and then just tie this together with a clear elastic band. Next, take all the hair from the right hand side from the ear upwards, bring this around to the back and secure it with another clear elastic band. And then just repeat this on the left hand side. So to give this style some texture, we're just going to flip these ponytails. So take your fingers and make a hole above the elastic band. Grab the ends of the ponytail and pull them through the hole. Then just repeat this on the other two ponytails. Add some texture spray all over the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. Then all we're going to do is pinch and pull at the twists and all over the top of the head just to create some more texture. To secure these twists, I'm just going to push the side ones up against the middle and secure them with a few bobby pins. Okay, we're going to do a Dutch braid but only incorporate hair from the bottom of the hairline. So take a chunk of hair on the left hand side and divide this into 3 equal parts, and we want this to go straight across the back of the head. So first of all we're going to take the bottom section and just cross it under the middle section. Then take the top section and cross that under the middle section. Now we're going to take the bottom section, cross it under the middle section, but this time we're going to add a little bit of hair from the hairline. Then we're going to take the top section and cross it under the middle section without adding any hair. This doesn't have to be neat because we're pinching and pulling this braid apart. Keep on braiding until you run out of hair. Then just finish the style off in a 3-strand braid. So add some texture spray to your braid and really pinch and pull each loop to create some more texture. Now we're just going to secure that braid to the head by pushing it up to the head and slipping in a few bobby pins. Grab the tail ends of that braid and bring them over to the left hand side. Roll those ends under so you can't see them, and then just pin this to the left hand side of the head with as many bobby pins as needed. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know which one was your favourite in the comments box below.